Hey everyone, this is Walking from Motorola, and this is the Motorola Edge 70, and this colour is something very special. Meet Cloud Dancer, Pantone's Colour of the Year 2026. So let's dive right in. Even before we get to the phone, the tone is set. Clean, calm, minimal. This is Motorola leading into design-led tech. Wow, look at that finish. Cloud Dancer isn't loud, it's soft, airy, almost weightless, but still premium. It catches the light without shouting for attention. The texture is beautifully refined, and as always with Motorola, it's great in the hand. Slim, balanced, and unmistakably edge. And then there's the display. That signature edge design gives you an immersive, almost floating feel before you've even powered it on. In the box, you've got exactly what you need. No clutter, no distractions, because the phone is the hero here. That first boot up moment never gets old. This smartphone is designed to fit your life, not fight for attention in it. You've got curved edges, a subtle camera module that doesn't stick out too much, and it feels super comfortable in the hand. Really solid and premium. IP68 and IP69 provides dust and water resistance, which means you're good for everyday spills or rain. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, powered with 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. I'll test it out more, but so far it feels snappy and smooth straight out of the box. Still the only ultra-thin phone with triple 50 megapixel cameras. On the back, you've got 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide, which also works as a macro, and the main lens comes with OIS and promises great low light performance. The front camera is 50 megapixels sitting in a small hole punch up top. So there it is, the Motorola Edge 70 in Cloud Dancer. Soft by nature, strong by design. So this isn't just a phone, it's a new mood. Leave us a comment and let us know what you think about the Edge 70 in Pantone's Colour of the Year. Cloud Dancer.
Hello, Moto.